At first glance, the roll bed looks like a clean, minimalist storage cabinet you'd expect to see in a modern apartment. But here's the clever part. Within just a few smooth movements, that simple cabinet transforms into a full-sized bed. It's designed with compact living in mind, whether you're in a studio apartment, setting up a guest room, or trying to make a home office pull double duty without feeling cramped. What really makes the roll bed stand out is how flexible it is. There's no wall mounting, no tools, and no permanent installation required. Unlike Murphy beds that lock you into one layout, this one is completely freestanding and mobile. You can move it around whenever you want, which is perfect if you like to rearrange your space, or if your needs change over time. Once it's unfolded, you're not sleeping on a thin, uncomfortable pad. The roll bed opens up to a full-size sleeping surface with a 7-inch thick mattress. It uses high-density foam for solid support, topped with a layer of cooling memory foam, so it feels much closer to a real bed than the typical fold-out or futon setup. During the day, it blends right back into your living space. When folded, it looks more like a modern cabinet or TV console than a bed, which helps keep your room feeling open and uncluttered. That's especially useful in multi-purpose spaces where a permanent bed would normally take over the room visually. Compared to other space-saving options, the focus here is on simplicity and comfort. There's no heavy lifting, no complicated mechanisms, and no major trade-offs in mattress quality. The company also says it takes up less space than traditional Murphy beds or pull-out sofas when stored, although exact measurements haven't been fully shared yet. Right now, the roll bed is gearing up for a Kickstarter launch, so final pricing, delivery timelines, and availability are still to be announced. Even so, it's clearly aimed at people who want smart, flexible furniture, especially city dwellers, frequent hosts, or anyone trying to make the most out of limited square footage without sacrificing a good night's sleep.